Think you need thousands of dollars just to start investing? You don't. You actually only need $100 and about 10 minutes of your time. In this video, I'm showing you the exact, simple steps to start your wealth building journey today, even if you're starting with just $100. Look, let's be completely real. The biggest barrier keeping most people from investing isn't actually money. It's the fear of messing up, or that lingering feeling that $100 is just too small to make a difference. But here is how you need to reframe it. That $100 bill you invest today is the seed for your future, not the full forest. You don't plant a massive oak tree on day one. You plant a single seed, and let time do the heavy lifting. Waiting until you have perfect money usually means waiting forever. So, what do we actually do with that $100? We skip the complex stuff and use one clear low-cost investment type, a total market index fund or an ETF. Think of it like this: instead of trying to guess which single company will win, you're buying a tiny slice of hundreds of the biggest companies all at once. Because your money is spread out across the entire market, you aren't gambling on one volatile stock. You're betting on the long-term growth of the economy as a whole. And getting it done is incredibly fast. Here is the entire process in 3 quick moves. Step 1. Download a reputable, low-fee brokerage app and open a standard investment account. Step 2. Type the ticker symbol of a broad market fund into the search bar. Step 3. Tap Buy, type in $100 and confirm. That's literally it. No digging through hidden menus, no dealing with confusing jargon. Just 3 steps, and you are officially an investor. Now, time for a quick reality check. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-sure scheme. You aren't going to wake up next week with a lumbo from a $100 investment. The real magic isn't a one-time win. It's building the habit of consistency. A single $100 investment gets the ball rolling, but repeating that habit over time is what genuinely changes your financial future. Your first $100 isn't just money in the market. It's the official first step of a lifelong wealth-building habit. So let's get past the starting line. What's holding you back from investing your first $100? Let me know in the comments below and I'll jump in to help you troubleshoot it. Don't forget to drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.